If you're looking at your options for engineering admissions in 2026, let's take a closer look at AVC College of Engineering in Mayiladuthurai. Remember this TNEA code, 3801. Now, let's jump right into a few things that really make this college stand out. Right off the bat, it's NAAC accredited with an A grade. And this isn't some old certification, it's valid all the way until 2029, which is a really strong sign of consistent quality. And it doesn't stop there. 4 of their main engineering programs are accredited by the NBA, the National Board of Accreditation. You know, this is a huge deal for employability, and that stamp of approval is good until June 2028. And maybe most importantly, it's an autonomous institution. So what does that actually mean for you as a student? Well, even though it's affiliated with Anna University, the college gets to design its own curriculum and run its own exams. This usually means the syllabus is more up to date and in line with what the industry actually wants. Okay, so here's what we're going to cover today. We'll start with the college's core credentials, then look at the BE programs and how many seats are available. After that, we'll dive into placements, and finally, we'll touch on the campus facilities like hostels and transport. Let's get started. So first things first, let's really understand the college's foundation, its history, and the official recognitions that back up its reputation. You can really see the college's journey unfold here. It started way back in 2001, and you can see these steady steps forward, getting that important autonomous status, and then more recently locking in that solid A grade from NAAC and securing NBA accreditation for the long term. So let's just quickly break down the key facts. It's a self-financing, autonomous college in Mayiladuthurai. Admissions happen through TNEA counseling with the usual 65% government quota and 35% management quota. And it was founded by the A.V.C. Educational Trust, a name that's been in the education space in that region for a very long time. Now, this is something you should pay close attention to. If you're aiming for computer science, ECE, EEE, or mechanical, knowing that your specific branch has MBA accreditation until 2028 is a huge plus. It's a national benchmark for quality that really matters to companies when they come for placements. All right, let's move on and see what you can actually study here. Let's look at the engineering programs and the number of seats for the 2026 batch. And, you know, it's not just the classic engineering branches. They've introduced a BE in AI and data science a few years back, in 2021. This shows they're keeping an eye on the future and offering courses in fields that are really booming right now. Here's the complete list for you. As you'd expect, computer science has the highest intake with 120 seats. All the other branches, from ECE and mechanical to the newer AI and data science program, each have 60 seats. So you've got a pretty good variety of options to choose from. Okay, now for the big one. The question that's on every student's and parent's mind. What about placements? What happens after 4 years of engineering? Let's look at the numbers. For the 2024-25 batch, the college has already seen 109 students placed in various companies. And those 109 job offers came from 14 different companies that visited the campus to recruit students. And if you look at the companies, you'll see some familiar names. You have Infosys, which is not just a recruiter, but also a training partner. Then you've got core companies like Delphi TBS and others from banking and software like City Union Bank and ControlSoft Engineering. Academics and placements are one thing, but a good college experience is also about the support you get on campus. So let's quickly cover the facilities and financial aid. For those who'll be staying on campus, yes, there are separate hostels available for both boys and girls. And the mess provides both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, so you're covered there. If you're planning to travel from home every day, there is a transport facility. And this is really convenient. The campus is just about 2 kilometers from the Mayiladuthurai railway station, which makes it very easy to get to. Now, about financial assistance. The college helps eligible students apply for a whole range of government scholarships. You can see the list here. It includes support for SC/ST, BC/MBC communities, minorities, and of course, the very helpful First Graduate Scholarship. One quick and important point. All the details we've shared here are from the college's official website and government portals, checked in April 2026. You know how information can sometimes be updated? So we always suggest you verify the most critical details directly with the college. So after looking at everything, the solid accreditations, the programs they offer, their placement track record, and the campus facilities, the final question really comes down to you. Do the opportunities here at AVC College of Engineering match what you're hoping to find? Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.